Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Rashel Anwar and today we are going to learn unit number 1 Abdul Sattar Edhi, part A, lecture number 9, National Book Foundation. So let's begin. Use of language. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, animal, place, thing or idea. In a sentence, nouns can play the role of subject, direct object, indirect object, subject, complement, object, complement, appositive or adjective. Kinds of noun. There are two kinds of noun, common noun and proper noun. Common nouns refer to people, places and things in general. Any noun that is not a name is a common noun. Examples: orphan, guest, child. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of people, places or organizations. Examples: Mr. Abdul Sattar Edhi, Faisal Edhi or Edhi Trust. Concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are physical things that you can touch. Examples: chair, jewelry, car. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the opposite of concrete nouns. They are things that you cannot touch. Abstract nouns are ideas, concepts, and feelings. Examples: care, love, and compassion. Collective noun. A collective noun denotes a group of individuals. Examples: class, crew, crowd, family. Compound noun. A compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. Each compound noun acts as a single unit and can be modified by adjectives and other nouns. Examples: lunchtime, firefighter, overtime. 1. Identify and underline the nouns in the following sentences and state whether they are common, proper, concrete, or abstract. The first one is done for you. First, we will read this paragraph, then we will take out the proper nouns, common noun, abstract, and concrete nouns. Abdul Sattar Edhi was born in 1928 in Gujarat, India. His mother's illness fostered compassion in his soul for suffering humanity. At the age of 11, Edhi left his education incomplete and dedicated his life to serving his mother, who was paralyzed. His mother's serious and persistent illness and then her death created an everlasting impression on his thinking patterns and personality that drove him to make a pledge to comfort suffering humanity. Abdul Sattar Edhi. It is a proper noun. Gujarat is also a proper noun. India is the name of a place and it is also a proper noun. Thinking, abstract noun. Mother, common noun. Age, common noun. Soul is abstract noun. Education, concrete noun. Question number 2. Sort the following nouns into categories by placing them in the table below. Wife, Karachi, birds, orphans, hospital, nation, vamp, Wales, dream, donkey, shelter, patience, Faisal, wheelchair, life, sun, home, love, joy, jewelry, hope, ambulance, Bilkesiri. I only wrote 4 of them in each column because I didn't have enough space. Common noun. Wife is a common noun. Birds are common noun. Orphans and hospital is also common noun. Proper noun. Karachi, Bilkesiri, sun, wheelchair is also a proper noun. Abstract noun. Patience, compassion, hope, joy. Concrete noun. Ambulance, jury, shelter, van. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Bye. See you in the next video.